Yo, YouTube, back again with another banger. So, I appreciate all the love and support I received on the last couple of videos. I didn't realize that those videos were going to get a lot of traction as quick as they did. But here we go with another tutorial. I'm proceeding to debulk with the number 2 guard and trying to shape it up the way the style of the haircut is going to be. I'm not gonna lie to y'all either. I did struggle with this haircut. I feel like the hair was too curly, that I had to hit it with the number 2 guard in every single direction to make sure everything is laying down flat for me. This is going to be a quick video. I'm just gonna show you guys one side, because the same thing that I do on one side is the same thing that I do to the other. And here I go with my trimmers to start my first guideline. I'm gonna drop it in the back. So I'm trying to connect the line. So I make part of the line on the side of the head, and then I go from the back to the top, and I make sure to remove all the hair. Second step, I go in with my lever open, about a finger's width, all around the head. And you guys see I'm flicking up as I'm going, making sure I don't create a harsh guideline. As I'm opening and closing the lever, I'm making sure I'm hitting the line to erase the guidelines. Here I go in with my 1 open, and I'm going up another like finger's width. As I'm doing that, I'm making sure I'm going all around the head. And here I come back in with my half guard, open, and I'm opening and closing to making sure I erase that guideline I created. I know what you're probably thinking, how is he gonna fade all that side of the bulk in? And here I'm going in with my 1.5 open, so it's equivalent to a 2, and I'm making sure I'm scooping out as I'm going with all that bulk. I'm trying to flick into what he already has and not take it too high up. And obviously here I'm going at it at different angles, making sure it all kind of blends in. And I do struggle here, and I want to tell you guys what helped me out. So I'm hitting the lines at different angles. I notice it's not going away, so I start shaping it up with no guard on, and so basically I freehanded all around the head. See, as you guys can see, this is where I'm freehanding it. In my personal opinion as well, I feel like it really helped me out, making sure I blended all the sides in together. As I'm going and going, I seem to not be able to really blend in on one side. So I go in again with my guard, just hitting it at different angles and making sure to erase that line. If you made it this far in this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all for the love and support that you guys been giving on the last vids, and let's keep making that happen. And here we're gonna start with the middle of the head to start the lineup, and I'm going to one side, making sure that I get that line nice and precise. And I know you guys saw all that hair, but all that hair was overhang. None of that was a pushback, so don't think that all of it was all the extra hair that was in the front lineup. As you guys can see on the other side as well, I'm trying to make sure the lineup is there, and I make sure to shape up the front as well. And you guys can see that lineup is nice and sharp. You guys can see from a distance. And I don't just leave the hair like that. I make sure that I put some curling product. But here is the after. Let me know what you guys think. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all those above. And I appreciate you guys, and see you guys on the next. Peace.